How to clean and sanitize Avantco Modular ice machines. First, turn on the ice maker and push the clean button for 3 seconds. This will start the cleaning process. Noble Chemical offers Arctic ice machine cleaners and quick sand sanitizers for all your cleaning and sanitizing needs. Now mix a solution of cleaner and water according to your ice machine cleaner instructions. Put the proper amount of cleaning solution into the water trough. Push the clean button. The ice machine will auto-clean for about 15 minutes. Spray the evaporator with the cleaning solution to ensure a complete clean. When finished, the LED display will flash clean. Mix a solution of sanitizer and water according to your ice machine sanitizer instructions. Next, put the proper amount of sanitizing solution into the water trough. Push the clean button again. The ice maker will auto-sanitize for about 15 minutes. Spray the evaporator with the sanitizing solution to ensure complete sanitation. The ice machine will go into the rinsing process. This process will take about 5 minutes and will do 5 rinsing cycles. When finished, the unit will begin making ice. Throw away the next batch of ice in case of residual cleaner. Remove all the ice from the ice bin. After that, remove the 4 screws from the top and bottom of the ice machine's front panel. Then remove the panel. To automatically drain the water tank, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds. Press the clean button after CLE flashes on the display. If necessary, press and hold the down button to force drainage. Next, make sure that the power supply is unplugged. Remove the water curtain and remove the 2 screws that are securing the spray pipe. Then remove the 2 screws that are securing the water pump. Pull out the pump and the sensor wiring harness. Next, pull out the inlet water pipe and the hose hoop off the upper water pipe. And then remove the fixed screws that are in the spray pipe and pull apart the pipe. Now mix a solution of cleaner and water according to your ice machine cleaner instructions. Spray or soak the pulled out parts. Next, spray the cleaning solution into the evaporator and wipe it until it's clean. Finally, rinse all areas thoroughly with clean water. Mix a solution of sanitizer and water according to your ice machine sanitizer instructions. Spray or soak the pulled out parts. Next, spray the sanitizer solution into the evaporator with a spray bottle. Also spray the water tank, ice plate and its plastic parts, side plates, ice bin, and other sanitary areas with the solution. Allow the pulled out parts to dry. Then install them back in their original position. The cleaning and sanitation process is now complete.